Okay, so this is an azr-photography.com tutorial on how to hook up your camera with your computer to get your images up on the screen immediately for your client or yourself's viewing pleasure. So the idea is to get it shown in Adobe Lightroom and not just Ears Utility. That's easy enough. It came with a CD and everybody can do it. But the trick is to get it hooked up with Lightroom 2. Lightroom 3 has this built in like an automatic feature, but Lightroom 2 does not. But you can make it do it. So I'll show you how. Okay, first of all, you have to hook up your camera with your computer with the supplied USB cable. And of course, you need to have Ears Utility installed. It came with the CD, but I think you can download it from the Canon site. I'll post a link if I find one where you can get it. Okay, so first of all, you want to turn on Ears Utility. Let's do that. And as you can see, you're only allowed to monitor folder. That's the only thing you're allowed to do right now. So if we turn on the camera, it'll say busy at first, and then it won't say anything else. And the whole thing will start lighting up, and Vista will do its thing. Close that. Now we can see we've got the settings shown up. So we can go into camera settings, remote shooting, go do all that kind of stuff. But the first thing you want to do is open the monitor folder and set a destination folder. And I've set my destination folder. I've called it tethered shooting. Just makes it easier for me to understand. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go into Lightroom and set up Lightroom to get the images from that specific folder, tethered shooting, that I call my folder. Okay, so back in a sec. Okay, welcome to part 2 of the Ears Utility working with Lightroom 2 video. We've hooked up the camera to the computer, and we've got Ears Utility open, and we've got Ears and all that, and we've got the Lightroom open as well. So first of all, you want to go into camera settings, remote shooting. You could do the monitor folder thing, but I want to do it up here. Click that button in the corner. There we go. Try it again. And choose the destination folder. I've called mine tethered shooting. Click OK. Then go into Lightroom and go up into File, Auto Import Settings. Now, when you get in here, it's going to say Watch Folder, but there isn't any Watch Folder. So you choose the Watched folder for it to watch. Now, I told you I just called mine tethered shooting, and it's right here. So you click it, and we do OK. And it now has to move it into this destination here, which is my destination of choice. Can add metadata, develop settings, keywords, previews, all that kind of stuff. So this should be it. So let's see if it works. Again, it's auto import settings, all that below. Okay, so let's use the tethered shooting option here and see if this works. Just raise the eyes a little bit. Too far. Go ISO 200. That's it. And click OK. So it shows up into the quick preview, but it also shows up into the Lightroom folder. So there you have it. That's the image it just took. And that's it. Be sure to check back on the blog, and I will be sure to post a link to the download of Ears Utility if I find it. And just keep reading. Okay, thanks for watching.